Hello everyone, today I am here in Oxygen Park in Saal Bagan, which is not very far from Agartala, and this is the entry point. So you can park your car or your bike, scooty over here, which is quite big, and it's very beautiful. We have to take or book ticket from there, and it's like 10 rupees per head, and I'm just entering right now. You have to show your ticket here and then explore it. Everything is so green because everywhere it's all trees, which is really good for our health. And what is written here: every day I supply oxygen for up to 4 people. Don't you think I am worth living? Wow. And yeah, what is this? It's, I think, about someone dedicated National Forest Mature Day. Okay, it's for someone. It's a memorial thing made for someone who has been matured, who has saved the environment for them, I think, in the name of them. And there are children swinging around. I think you can just, it's like a park. And this is like a rocky road. This is betel leaf. My father always likes to eat pan, so he also plant at home. If you like taking away the leaves and eat, you can also plant this thing at home, and just it will just grow there only. So if you plant trees, I think we will not need AC. Like a lot of people who are very rich people, they use AC, and if we plant so much of trees, then I think we will not need so much of AC. And also trees provide sun buffers and act as a wind breaks. Man, trees can do so much for us. You know, this big wild boar, I really thought this is real, and I just got scared seeing this thing suddenly. Don't you think that this looks so real? 100 meter, I just walked 100 meter. Now let me see how far I walk. Actually, this is really cold place. I think during summer it will be very nice to come over here and then just relax, or you can do evening walk or morning walk here. I think there also wild boar, it really looks so realistic. They are placing such thing in a scary place, I mean in such a place that we feel like it's really real. Hello. Travel gallery. Tribes of Tripura, Tribes of Tripura, Tripuri है ये. देखो. The traditional dress. After that comes Tribes of Tripura, Riang. You can read something about it. This is the attire. अच्छे से देखो. Bye. Again, Tribes of Tripura. They are the largest tribal community in Tripura and speak Kogrok, so you can read more about it. This is the traditional dress of Tripuri, or you can say Devarma, and this is the Bru tribes, Riang. This is another tribe of Tripura, which is known as Jamatia, and this is their traditional attire. So you can read something about it here. This is another tribes of Tripura, Mok. Beautiful attire, right? With the umbrella. This is Lusai. found mostly in Jampu Hills. Wow, this is lepcha. Oh, Bhutia. The dress itself is so beautiful. Himalayan tribe. We also have Khasi in Tripura, few Khasi population, but originally they're from Meghalaya. This is orang. See the traditional dress of orang. It looks somehow like they have migrated from Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal, and you can read more about it. Yeah, this is Garo. Munda, Bhil, Toy, the Santals. Last one here, not the least, but it's tribes of Tripura Chaimal. Okay, it's a beautiful dress. And of this part, मेरा फोन टूट रहा है. चलो.
This distance is shorter.
Almost. Oh, nice tree. Ching 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 ching. We met a drunk guy inside this oxygen park. He was claiming to be a forester inside, and he is irritating me and my friend. And we want to complain about him. I forgot to ask his name actually. I could not make his face. I could not take the video of him that time because I was kind of a bit scared, and I just like walked forward faster and faster so that I could ignore him. But he was like chasing us. What is this? Different types of color. Oh, yoga place. You can do yoga early in the morning. I think yoga benefits. It's written about yoga there. So people can do yoga over here. I think during yoga day, National Yoga Day and all, people come here to celebrate yoga day. Oh, beautiful. What house? What kind of house is this? No. This is lock or what? Yeah, this is lock. Can't go inside, but this house is beautiful. Oh. Elephant print over this one. What? Oh, it's already there. Come. This road is not even ending. I'm walking. I'm tired of walking. Oh my god. 150 meters? उस टाइम तो 1300 meters बोला. अभी क्यों 150 meters? 1500 meters. Huh? I lost the way or what? Oh my god. Seriously? It's not ending more. Butterfly Park. You can take pictures over here. That means I walk for 1700 kilometers. Oh, meter. I'm not lost. I came to the end point. Hee hee. Come. Come. Reach the end point. Tata, bye bye. Oxygen Park.